In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Slack. Being able to clearly share code in Slack is really important, especially when you're working with a team and want your message to be readable and easy to copy. Instead of pasting code as plain text, which can look messy and hard to follow, Slack gives you a simple way to format it properly as a code block. First, make sure you have Slack open on your computer, either in the desktop app or in your browser. For this example, we'll use a direct message with Slackbot, but you can use the exact same approach in any channel or direct message. Click into the message box where you normally type your messages. This is where we'll add our code. Now, the quickest way to start a code block is by using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus Enter. When you use this shortcut, Slack will open a dedicated code input area instead of the regular message box. You'll see a slightly different text field appear, often with a monospaced font and a bit more space. This tells you that Slack is ready for code. Click inside that highlighted area so it's active, and then type or paste your code directly into it. You can add multiple lines, indentations, and whatever formatting your code normally has. The nice thing about this method is that Slack preserves your spacing and line breaks, so the code is much easier for others to read and reuse. Take a moment to look over what you've entered to make sure it appears exactly the way you want. Because it's in a code block, you don't need to worry about Slack automatically turning parts of it into links or emojis. It will stay as plain code. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and send the message just like you normally would. In the conversation, your code will now appear in a clean, formatted block that stands out from regular text. This makes it clear to your teammates that it's code, and they can scroll, read, and copy it without any confusion. To recap, open Slack, click into the message box, use the shortcut for your operating system to open the code area, type or paste your code, and then send the message. Once you get used to this shortcut, sharing code in Slack becomes fast, consistent, and much easier for everyone on your team to work with.